What you doing, Daniel? Daniel, more juice? Oh, the door's gonna get you. Oh. No more juice? There you go. Now you're thinking. No, that's coffee creamer. That's no juice. No juice. Milk? No, too much. Here, I help you a little bit. Okay. Yay, Daniel got his juice. And his cup. Okay. You're going to close the door? Close. Open. Should we do this, huh? Here's your cup. No, you gotta open, Daniel. Open. No, open? Here, Mama will help you. Okay, ready? Oh, Daniel! More? More? No? You're doing good. Oh! Yay! You want to put this back? Put this back in the fridge. Come on, Daniel, up. Come on, up. Pick it up, put it back in here. Put it back in the fridge. Come on. Daniel, up. Up, you want a hand up? Up. No? Okay. You're all done.